Bagger 293, the largest land vehicle ever built by mass, is not a ship, not a rocket, not a skyscraper on tracks. It is a bucket wheel excavator, and the Bagger 293 is the largest one ever made. It weighs 31,300 short tons. Its rotating wheel alone stands 70 feet across and carries 18 buckets, each capable of scooping more than 530 cubic feet of earth in a single bite. That is roughly 16 cubic meters per bucket. The entire machine stretches 740 feet from counterweight to cutting head, crewed by 5 operators and 1 maintenance engineer. It operates in the Hambach open-cast lignite mine in western Germany, eating through overburden at a rate of 8.5 million cubic feet per day. That is enough displaced earth to fill every floor of the Empire State Building in under 24 hours. It does not travel between sites. It was built on location, assembled over years, and it will operate there until the coal runs out. Then it will be dismantled where it stands. The mountain doesn't move. The Bagger 293 does. The P&H 4100 XPC. Where the Bagger 293 consumes entire hillsides at once, the P&H 4100 XPC operates with surgical repetition, loading 109 short tons of ore per bite, swing after swing, 24 hours a day, in the hardest rock on Earth. It is the world's highest capacity rope shovel, and it has become the standard production tool in the world's largest open-pit copper, coal, and oil sands mines. Its dipper, the steel bucket at the end of its arm, holds 120 cubic yards when struck full. That is a volume larger than 3 standard shipping containers. The machine weighs 2,400 short tons and stands 44 feet tall at the cap, requiring a ladder system to reach the operator's seat. 2 3,000 horsepower electric motors drive the hoist and crowd systems. The electrical cable running to the machine is thick enough that a man cannot close his hand around it. In Chilean copper mines and Canadian oil sands, the 4100 XPC is the first machine positioned at the freshly blasted face each shift. Nothing moves coal to crusher or copper to haul truck faster at this scale. More than 200 units are operating worldwide. 30 tons of steel moving rock it took geology 1,000,000 years to make.
Caterpillar 797F. The machine that loads the ore is only useful if something can haul it away. On the road from pit bottom to crusher, the Caterpillar 797F is the largest mechanical drive haul truck ever built. It carries 400 short tons of payload, the equivalent weight of roughly 80 average family cars, on a frame that stands 26 feet tall and 32 feet wide. That is wide enough that no public road in the world could legally accommodate it. The 797F runs on a 20-cylinder diesel engine producing 4,000 horsepower. Its 6 tires stand 13 feet tall. Each tire costs more than a house in the communities that surround the mines where the truck operates. At full capacity, the 797F tops out at 42 miles per hour fully loaded, which sounds modest until you watch 400 tons of rock moving at highway speed up a 10% haul road gradient. Every major copper, iron ore, and oil sands operation on Earth runs a fleet of them. The global fleet has collectively hauled more material than the entire volume excavated for the Panama Canal, and then some. Bigger is faster. Faster is cheaper. That is the logic of every haul road on Earth.